This is part 3 of churches to visit in Naga City for VISITA IGLESIA 2024. On September 17, 2001, Mater Salutis Parish was officially established. The name Mater Salutis, which is a Latin translation of Our Lady of Salvation, was given to the church to avoid confusion with existing parishes in the Archdiocese of Cáceres. The church celebrates its feast day every 10th of October in honor of Our Lady of Salvation. Our eighth church is the Basilica of Our Lady of Peñafrancia, which is renowned as one of the largest Marian pilgrimage sites in Asia and is the only basilica in both the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Cáceres and in the Bicol Region. The basilica houses the revered icon of Our Lady of Peñafrancia and the sculpture of the Virgin Mary, crafted in 1710. Our last stop for this part is the Naga Metropolitan Cathedral. Formerly known as the parish of St. John the Evangelist, the Naga Metropolitan Cathedral serves as the seat of the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Cáceres. Its history dates back to the establishment of the Diocese of Nueva Cáceres in 1595. The current cathedral, constructed in 1808, was finished and consecrated in 1843. Admire its stunning stained glass work and Spanish Romanesque architecture, which truly sets it apart. Watch out for the final part of this series, and let's add 3 more churches in Naga City to your VISITA IGLESIA 2024 itinerary.